Get in the water. Hey guys, it's Future Panda here. I just wanted to explain this next scene coming up right here. The dolphins came up right behind me. I was really startled. It was a happy startled, but they startled me nonetheless, so I turned around real quick. You're not really supposed to get too close to the dolphins. Oh look! He's catching his leaf right there. Ta-da! Obviously, I was excited about it. I just wanted to say that you're not supposed to get too close to the dolphins. There's a couple of times where they come right up to me and I just was like, whoa. So that was cool. You're just supposed to, if they come up to you, that's fine. You can just float and stay still and enjoy it. But you're not supposed to try to get to them or touch them or purposefully get too close to them. In these earlier scenes, the dolphins seemed like they were trying to get some rest. They were kind of swimming in circles really calmly. Maybe they were in sleep mode. So there were 4 adults and a mama and a child. So technically 5 adults. There's mama and child again. And I also want to let you guys know that these are spinner dolphins. They are called spinner dolphins because they like to leap out of the water and spin and do these cool little moves. I was so bummed that I did not actually catch any of them on video doing their little spin moves. But anyway, I'm going to be quiet now and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, we made it down the rough terrain, the rocky road, bumpy road, and now we're here at the beach. My family calls it Airport Beach or Airplane Beach, I should say, because the airplanes go right overhead. But you saw the official name as I was coming in. Oh, look at this. This is cool. This is the first beach I've seen that has the, has white rock here, as well as the lava rock, of course, which is everywhere. Some nice little pools here. This looks like a good place to go snorkeling. So pretty. There's Maui. You're welcome. I think I'm gonna post up right here. Wait for an airplane to go by. It'll feel like the Hawaiian version of, or Hawaii version of, what is it? Wayne's World. I don't know why I had a hard time thinking of that. I've seen that movie a million times. Where they're laying on the truck of the car and the airplane comes over and they're like, whoa! Yeah. I'm gonna do that Hawaii style. The contrast of this plant and the lava was so beautiful. It made me think of the plant from the movie WALL-E. Airplane race. Alright, we are back at what, in my opinion, was the best restaurant we've been at since we've been here. Don's Mai Tai Bar is where we're gonna sit tonight. So they just cleaned off this table over here for us. So let's go have a seat. Oh, look at this beautiful view of the lava rock. Okay, here we are right over here. Woohoo! This is a lava flow, which is a pina colada basically with strawberry. Prime rib, popover, mashed potatoes. Don't know what that is, but I'll find out. But until then, why don't you watch the sunset? Because it's gorgeous.